I'm going to start with something that has on the face of things nothing to do with trigonometry, but being really good at solving the kind of equation we're going to discuss in this video is going to be useful for all your work in trigonometry. The first type of equation I'd like to look at is a equals bx, where a and b are numbers and x is my unknown. So for example, I might have this equation here, 3 equals to 5x. So a would be equals to 3, b would be equal to 5, and then I have my unknown x. So let's see how we're going to solve this equation for x. I'm going to divide by b since b is multiplied with x, and I would like to have just x on its own, and so I'm ending up with a over b. That's it. That's the solution for the first question. I'm going to underline that here. The second equation I'm going to look at is this one. A equals x over b. So this time x is divided by a number. What do I do here? Well, I'm going to multiply by the denominator of the fraction b, so that since b times x divided by b will simplify to give x, and then I have to do this on both sides, of course, and so I get a times b. And that's the solution to this equation. The third case is a little bit more complicated. My equation is a equals b over x. So what do I do to solve for x here? Well, this time I have a fraction too. So I'm going to multiply by the denominator of the fraction, but that happens to be my unknown here. So I multiply by x, and I get a times x on the left hand side equals to b. Now you can see that this time I haven't straight away solved for x. There's one more step involved. I still have to divide by a in order to solve for x. And I get x equals b over a. So you can see this equation here, in case 3, required 2 steps to solve for x. These 3 are really useful for solving trigonometric problems. And here's a little quiz for you, where you can show that you can apply the ideas. Okay, 3 questions, solve for x every time. Please record this work in your book.